Maayong adlaw mga kababayan, maayong adlaw mga higala. Every act of generosity, no matter how simple, becomes a living expression of love and compassion for others. I personally warmly invite everyone to support Windy Igoy of Miraculous Massage and Wellness Spa in her Zumba for a cause. This is a beautiful initiative that brings people together, not only for health and wellness, but also for a mission of kindness. The proceeds of this event will be sent to Paring Bukidnon in the Diocese of Malaybalay, Bukidnon, Philippines, to support the needs of the mission and to build the retirement home of the retired priest of the Diocese of Bukidnon, and of course, to support to the people being served by them. This is more than an exercise activity. It is an opportunity to turn our steps into blessings and our movements into acts of mercy. Because I firmly believe when hearts unite for a noble purpose, even small contributions can become instruments of hope for many lives. My dear kababayans, please come, join, and support this meaningful cause. And together, let us make love visible through our generosity and solidarity. If you're interested, kindly reach out or phone Windy Egoy for more information at 587-938-6081. This is Father Jack, and I am inviting everyone to join and support and be part of this wonderful cause. And together, let us transform energy into charity. Let us transform movement into mission and kindness into a living testimony of God's goodness. Kita-kits!